What's up, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Eto, fresh from last night, no? Coach Chito is here. Okay, mga kasama nating mga coaches yan sa Makabebe. Black Superman of Santa Cruz, and of course, paring GMJ Lord. And of course, the winning coach.
Hello. Punta lang kami rin kung naman sa box
At
po.
syempre,
Yung ace kayo kami, oh.
Boss Ace. Ayan.
Bukas.
Ayan na, kinukuha na namin yung trophy. Okay guys, so yan, kinukuha na natin yung trophy. So, dito kami, no, sa mismo Classic Club. No, kapalit guys, no. So, eto, it's a success for us, no, na nakuha namin yung championship. At talaga namang butas ng karayom ang mismo nangyari dito. And of course, we would like also to congratulate also the Bartolomeo All-Stars, no, for giving us the nice fight. Ayun, no? So, thank you. Vice Vince Flores, thank you tayo, no? Okay. Boss Vice natin, no, Boss Vice, thank you so much. Okay, so yan, because he never stop, no, na talaga naman na i-continue, no, yung team hanggang sa eto, finally, ilang years tayo nagsama-sama, Boss J. Lord at saka Coach? 2 years? 3 years? 3 years, no? Yeah, from Intertown na Delta. And then Darna de Gama at nag-UCBL pa kami sa San Fernando. Yes. And finally, with the Classic Club, no, yan si Boss Ace by Boss Ace, no. We grab, no, yung first chips namin, no. This is dedicated to, of course, our Vice Flores and of course memory na Makabebe. And ito, we will continues, no, getting cadets. Coach Jama, continues getting new cadets of Star Fry. Siyempre, pa-out na yung mga ito eh. So, continuous kami.
Continue tayo ng ano,
Continuous scouting kami na ipapasok namin sa Star Fry. Kaya mga taga Makabebe, give your best basketball.
Itang Belgrade.
Marami tayong maalas na mayroon sa amin.
Kasi yung mga dati nating players na to, syempre, passing of torch, possible sila maging coaching staff someday. Pero hindi na namin bubuwagin yan. And of course, Coach Tito, no, yan, one of the best also sa Makabebe yan. Okay. So, yan. Okay, Pia Mesro. Peace.